Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to this week's Delicious Weekly. Are cassava tubers poisonous? Okay, let me tell you a short story. I remember in my university days, I had a roommate who suffered from cyanide poisoning. Do not forget, cyanide is a poisonous substance gotten from unprocessed cassava. Not forgetting, cassava is a root vegetable which has a lot of starchy content in it, just like we have the sweet potatoes, the yams, and the Irish potatoes. The whole complication started when she, started complaining about tummy pains. She felt dizzy, she felt paralyzed between her legs, and she felt uncomfortable for a very long time. And hopefully and thankfully, she was taken to the hospital in time, where she was diagnosed of cyanide poisoning. And after much investigation, the doctors discovered it was because she consumed a large amount of unprocessed cassava. It is very essential to know that if you would consume cassava tubers, please make sure you process your cassava tubers the right way. Make sure you boil them, cook them, and soak them before consumption. And also make sure you buy cassava tubers from only trusted vendors and stores, because we have the bitter cassava, which is the hard cassava, and the sweet cassava, which is the soft cassava. So make sure you're buying the soft cassava, which is the sweet cassava, so you don't end up with cyanide poisoning. Kindly thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, drop a beautiful comment for me in the comment section. Let me know what country are you watching this video from, okay? And you might want to ask me, how can the cassava tubers become poisonous? Yes, and that's because the cassava tubers absorb the pollutants from the areas in which they are planted. These pollutants include trace metal elements, pesticides, herbicides, and chemical spillage. Don't let me bore you with all the big grammars. All I'm trying to say is the cassava root, consumes all the nasty elements around the areas in which they are planted. So the next time you want to make a delicious meal from your cassava tubers, please ensure you peel them properly, number one. Number two, soak them to remove a large amount of the cyanide poisoning that might be present in your cassava tubers. And number three, make sure you cook them properly, okay? And do not also forget to buy cassava tubers only from trusted vendors. I remain Delicious Army, and I will see you in my next Delicious Weekly. Bye!